Hey y'all, and welcome to the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. I'm Susan, your hostess. Hey mama. Well, the tansy is looking really good back here, although we do need to put some more soil into our fire rings because our chickens have been back here. And my husband's been busy working in the garden, y'all. I'm going to sit down here for just a moment and we're going to talk. I'm in the garden because we're going to be talking about a new collaboration for the month of May through September of 2025. It's called Garden 25. It is an open collaboration. We're kicking off the garden season with Garden 25 throughout the month of September. 4 months of the garden season includes planting, type of garden soil, harvesting, long-term storage of your harvest, meals, what you are planting, first time trying something new, and garden struggles and tips and tricks. Let's get gardening together. We've got some garlic scapes there. That was planted last fall or winter, and hopefully we'll have a good garlic harvest this year. My husband is designing the garden this year, and look at these beautiful arches that he's put up. And we're going to have a wonderful garden season, I hope. This area is where we had all the pumpkins, cantaloupes, and watermelons last year. I'm just going to walk through and try not to step on his little mini trellis there. He has added a piece of cattle paneling inside one of the fire rings. We're going to be planting probably some herbs and flowers and many other things out here. And we've got 2 long cattle panels towards the back that we will plant tomatoes along them. Our blackberry vines are doing very, very well this year. We've had an abundance of rain and storms come through. We're expecting more storms very, very soon. My lilacs are starting to blossom. Look at this. They are so beautiful and fragrant. Whether you're planting in containers or you're planting in a raised bed or you're planting on a windowsill in little pots or direct sowing, your videos are very important to this collaboration and the success of this collaboration. All of these types of videos are welcome. We had success last year with our straw bales, so we're going to be doing that again. And we will be adding some fertilizer to our straw bales to help them to break down, along with some leftover soil to help them break down, and then we'll be planting them very, very shortly. I've got to get out here and do some cleaning. Our other tansy is right there. Y'all forgive me, I'm walking with a cane. This is last year's Grow Big 24 garden area. We did plant some strawberries, and I do believe we might have some strawberries coming back, hopefully. So we'll be checking on those. We've got some potatoes and garlic and onions. I think mostly garlic planted out here and potatoes. And we've got some extra buckets that we need to fill. We also planted some irises over there last year. And my carrots are doing very, very well. And I've got to get that screen off of the carrots. One more little garden area. This is another little garden area. We were hoping to get these tubs moved, but if they don't get moved this year, that's okay. We do have some onions in that. And lots of asparagus coming up, y'all. I've been harvesting asparagus. And we do have 2 containers planted with ginger root over here from last year. We're hoping they come back. So this is another little garden area. We were gifted 2 planters, so you'll be seeing me plant those. And I'm going to go and buy some potted plants for my welcome sign back there. I need 3 on that one. And then this one needs 1. Maybe you have a compost pile. Maybe you have some tips on how to have a very healthy compost that you compost on your own property. There are so many things that you can tell us in these videos. I hope that you will join in. It begins May 1st through the 31st. Thank you for watching, my friends, and may you be fully blessed.